Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your mirror on a Hyundai Sonata. This is from 2014 to 2011. I'm going to show you how to change your mirror, alright? And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you. So first you want to get a flathead screwdriver and take this off right here. Get in there, pry on it, and it should come off like that. Alright, you just pry on it and it'll come off. And then this is gonna be 10 millimeter right here. Alright, so on this wire you want to hold it and pull it up to get access to this, and then you want to hold right here and squeeze it in and pull it out. Alright, see if I can do it with one hand. Like that. Alright, leave this up. Try not to let it fall in the door. And these gonna be 10 millimeter. Alright. Alright, so it's gonna be 10 millimeter. And be careful not to let the screw drop in the door, because if it drop in the door, you'll have problems taking it out. Try not to let it drop in the door. Alright, trying my best not to let it drop here. Alright, and then this one right here, same treatment. Don't let it fall in the door. Alright, so now that's off. But when you're doing the mirror, you want to use one hand hold right here. But because I'm using my one hand, I can't hold it. So, alright, so now that's out. Now it's time to get the new one and put it in. Alright, so this is the new mirror right here. So, what you want to do is take off these rubber caps. Alright. Take these rubber caps off. And also take off these nut right here. Only 10 millimeter. Alright, so what you want to do is put your card through here and line your mirror up with the holes. Alright. Go ahead and put your screw on. Be careful try not to drop them in the door. Even though this mirror comes with an extra set of screws, an extra set of nuts, but you don't want nothing in the door rattling around. Alright. Go ahead and connect your cable. Alright, put it back down in the door. And you want to go ahead and tighten up your 10 millimeters. Alright. And then you want to go ahead and put this on. That's it, guys. That's how you do that's how you change a mirror on a 2014 from 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Help me help you. See you next time. All right.